Welcome back to my channel. If you aren't already subscribing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. Welcome. Today's video is a little bit different. Well, it's an unboxing, but it's an unboxing of luxury candles and bath bombs with a bit of a twist. These candles and bath bombs actually have real jewelry hidden inside of them. If you'd like to see me unbox my package from Jackpot Candles, as well as my review on their bath bomb, as well as their candle, and give you guys the tea, what my jewelry surprises were, keep watching. If you know me, you know I love turning my bathroom into an at-home spa. I love getting my jacuzzi going, using a luxury bath bombs, lighting candles, just really making it an at-home spa. So I'm super excited to see what Jackpot Candle has with their luxury bath bomb as well as their luxury jewelry candle. I'm super excited to use these products. So this is the package that I received from Jackpot Candle, and I'll tell you a little bit more about them. Basically, they are a cruelty-free soy candle and bath bomb company, but the coolest part about them is they actually have jewelry hidden in each candle and bath bomb, and the jewelry can be valued at up to $5,000. So that's super cool. Let's see what they sent me. So the first thing is their mystery scent candle. So this is actually a Woodwick hand poured 100% soy candle. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, I cannot wait to go burn this. So there is a ring inside of here, and it can be valued anywhere. The website tells you a little bit better, but it can be valued at up to $5,000. So not only are you getting a luxurious candle, but you're getting like a really cool surprise on the inside. It's like great for gifts if you want to send somebody who's a candle lover and also a jewelry lover, like a unique gift, more than just the regular candle from Yankee Candle or just a regular scented candle. Like that is so basic. Send them a candle with some jewelry inside. Hello. The second thing that they sent me is their Enchantment bath bomb. So this is a luxury bath bomb, and I believe it has Epsom salts, a lot of mineral oils in there. These retail for, I believe, $15.95, and the candles retail for $24.95. So just to kind of give you a price point, if you are sending these as gifts, they're super affordable, super luxurious. They smell so good. And like I said, they have a jewelry surprise in each of them. So I feel like that alone is a selling point. Oh, I feel like I hear it in here. Can you guys hear that? That's the jewelry. Imagine it's the $5,000 ring. I'm going to check back in after I burn the candle and use the bath bomb to let you guys know what jewelry I got. And I did read on the website, I believe on their Instagram, that the jewelry in the candle is actually about halfway down. So you don't really have to burn the whole candle and wait a lot of days. I don't know if that's true or not. This is my first time using them. So I will check back in and let you know. I'm going to leave their website as well as their Instagram down below. I don't have a discount code yet, but go ahead and check them out. I'm going to be sending these to all my friends as gifts this year. Everybody for Christmas, just know you're getting a Jackpot candle. So this is the mystery candle, like I said. It smells so good, like so good. I'm going to go ahead and burn it. It has a really long wooden wick, which I like. Like it's a very luxurious type of candle. This is not your average candle, and not only because there's jewelry inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this burning, set up my bath, get ready with my bath bomb, and I will let you guys know what was inside. So I am back with an update. I used the bath bomb and the candle is still burning, but I'm going to insert some videos of me using the bath bomb. My honest reviews on the bath bomb, it really left my skin feeling really moisturized. It smelled so good, and it was like a good quality bath bomb. It definitely changed my water color. I could feel all the different good ingredients in the water. It was really like a luxury experience. So I'm basically in my bathroom now, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop the bath bomb in. I'm gonna show you guys from another angle, but basically I have this bath tray set up, and yeah. So I got the ring out of the bath bomb. The candle is still burning. And what I thought was really cool about the ring when I opened it was it actually instructs you to go to their website. It instructs you to go to jackpotcandles.com/appraisals. And this is the actual ring that I got in my bath bomb. So I thought it would be really cool to find out how much it's worth on the appraisal page on camera. I thought that was really cool and unique that they give you something to kind of look up. So let's see. So I went ahead and entered in the code on the back of my ring from the bath bomb, and it lets me know that my jewelry, I don't know if you guys can see that. Since the candle still isn't done burning, I figured why prolong this video, and I will just update all of you guys over on Instagram in my Instagram stories once the candle does fully burn out and I finally get the prize. So please make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm going to leave links to my Instagram profile down below. And yeah, I'm really, this is such a cute ring. It's not the $5,000 ring, but like I said, we still have a chance in the candle. So this is what the ring looks like on. It's still a nice ring, even though its value is only $20. It's still super cute. And like I said, if you're sending these as a gift to somebody, it's like 2 gifts in one. Plus, it's just a lot of fun to like put the bath bomb in and find your little ring or burn your candle out. So I definitely recommend Jackpot Candles. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to check out Jackpot Candles as well as my Instagram story to see what I got in the candle. But definitely check them out. They're great gifts. They both, the bath bomb and the candles, smell so wonderful. I'm definitely going to be placing a future order with them. So check them out for yourselves, and I'll see you guys in my next video.